Hi, I'm Justine from the Sawyer Free Library, and this is Kelly. And we're gonna make a very simple backyard bird feeder with fruit and cereal, grapes. And like last week, we showed you how to make the bird seed with coconut oil with cookie cutters. This week is a little simple way to feed the birds in your backyard as well. And these are some books about birds that are available on Hoopla. Feathers, not just for flying. A Nest is Noisy, which is really beautiful. Animal Life Cycles, Robins. And this one by Caroline Arnold is Birds, Nature's Magnificent Flying Machines, with all information about all different types of birds. And these are available to you on Hoopla. So for this bird feeder, all you need to do is string some Circle O type cereal on a pipe cleaner with some grapes, and then fasten the pipe cleaner at the edges, and it's a really sort of like stringing popcorn. Simple and quick, and you might have these things in your home already. Fruits without seeds and not pits are okay to feed birds. Grapes they seem to really like. So we're gonna string this, fasten it up at the end to be able to make it into a circle that we can hang outside in the tree. And we're gonna put it in a spot near a window or across from a tree across from a window, so we can look out the window without disturbing the birds and watch and see if they enjoy our O cereal and grape bird feeder.